Okay, so let's get started. This is much better. I have my light like sitting on top of the camera, but this is much better because it just gets too bright and you can't really see the makeup. So I chose the Soft Glam palette. I always try to stay in one palette instead of like doing like multiple just eyeshadows. You know, maybe I feel like it's helpful to the person who's watching this, or maybe you have the palette, I don't know. But I love this palette. It just has like the perfect shades for just like a smoky, neutral, anything that is super glam. And you guys know Anastasia shadows are pigment. So, with a lot of kickback, but they're pigment. Let's start off with the shade Rustic. It's like a neutral brown shade. And I just take Rustic and put it right in my crease, like that.
I'm not the only person that feels like I do, but you never want to say when it happens to you. Swear I'm not angry, it's just a phase, but I'm tired of waiting.
So we're just going to take the, this is like that dark brown shade, Cypress Lumber. Put that right in. And also guys, her shadows have like a lot of kickback. So I take a paper towel and I'll just use my hand. I just kind of just saturate these shadows in that way. Sure you're taking the shadow and you're going upwards into the crease and out, up, out, up, out. Be very light-handed with your brush. And I am adding and desaturating that same dark brown shadow on my brush. Juvias Place concealer in the number 16. I like to pop it around the back of my hand like so. Just want to take the concealer. I'm not the best at cutting the crease. The crease thing is not my specialty, but we're gonna do a little something, something, something. We're going to be using this color. It's the Sultry color. Let's see if you guys can see. We're going to be using that one. Let me use my finger. That's better. I'm going to take the smudger brush by Charlotte. I'm going to take that darker brown. And we're going to go right back in and add some depth. And her out. Trying not to go into the black shade because I always go into the black shade in this palette. This palette has like the best black shade to me. It's called Noor. A fresh first brush and just blend that out. And when I'm blending, I'm going lightly and I'm going above, going up towards like the brow bone. Charlotte Tilbury Bedroom Black. So this pencil, it picks up the shadow as you're using it. So you want to like, you know, wipe it off and sharpen it every time. I know, sucks. And I always just like pinch my nose and drag it a little bit so I can really get in there. To smudge it right after, to take this Morphe brush. This is just like one of their pencil brushes. And I kind of just hold my eye and I just smudge it out. I cannot believe I'm using a pencil for liner on top. Like, I was so against this. I guess I just never had like the right pencil. And I want to take some of that black eyeshadow. It's Nars. And I'm just going to place some of that on there. Now with some Charlotte eye cream. I think it's really important to put eye cream under your eyes before your concealer, because under our eyes, as I always say, it's always a little bit, it's like a thin layer of skin compared to the rest of our faces. And it's summer, so I've been using the Fenty moisturizer, the Fenty Hydra Vizor, and it has the SPF, a broad spectrum of 30 sunscreen, which is like the best, and I love the smell to it. It's like a cocoa buttery, like a natural type of scent. Our Nars foundation, this is perfect for the summer. I love it, love it, love it, love it for the summer. And I'm just going to pop some on the back of my hand. Our Sigma brush. Remember this brush was like everything? What happened to Sigma? Do you feel like our makeup, the makeup community is like going through like a purge or like a shift, or it's like dying? Like, what do you feel? I feel like we need more better releases. Like, we need more good collection releases. We need more good foundation release. Like, it needs more like good foundation releases and all that good stuff like that. Like, the makeup community, I feel like it's most definitely in need of a lot of things. Just my opinion. You're going to be taking the Kevyn Aucoin's Glass Glow Face Illuminizer or Illuminator. Yeah, Illuminator. And I'm going to be applying this on the highest points of my face. I've been had this for a minute. It's kind of like a, let's put it on the back of my hand. It's kind of just like a, you'll see. You'll see. I warm it on the back of my hand instead of just applying it to my face, and I kind of used a lot. And I like to put my brush in it and just desaturate it on a paper towel. But it just really gives you like super glowy skin, and I love glowy skin. I don't know if I'm applying this correctly, but this is just how I do it. And then I'm going to take my concealer. This is in the shade Walnut. It's the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. My skin is looking really, really glowy. So that Kevin Aucoin stuff is bomb. Juvias Place Concealer to highlight. This highlighter smells like, I mean, this not highlighter. It smells like MAC, like one of MAC's foundations that I brought years ago. I forgot. I think was it the Match Master? Most definitely smelled like one of them. Child.
But you never wanna say when it happens to you. Swear I'm not angry, it's just a phase. But I'm tired of waiting to see better days. If I said I love you, meant to say it to myself.
That I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna set ASAP. So even though I'm just setting my under eye with this powder, if it is hot, okay, it's hot, you are oily, I recommend getting the pressed one and keeping your purse because this powder sucks up oil. Just use it for like light touch-ups. And these are really good for light touch-ups, especially if you go into the pressed powder and you kind of just do like this, like fold it and just, let's say you're sweating right here, right? And you just press and just touch up. Because this powder is just for setting the face and it sucks up oil. It sucks up oil like no other. I love to just be, when y'all going out, to just be snap. I'm gonna do the Huda Beauty contour and it's the Tantour in medium. I'm gonna take some of this on the back of my hand. My hand is like my canvas today. Okay, I was watching Painted by Spencer, and I used to do this. I feel like I've been on and off doing this, like the back of the hand thing. Like I would just do it like on and off. I'm gonna take my dual fiber brush and have some Kevin Aucoin product on it. That's fine. And we're gonna just go right into the cheek here. And I'm gonna just press. Look at that. So seamless, and I didn't have to do much. Our favorite bronzer, which is by Rihanna, Mocha Mami. And this brush and just bronze. And it's also going to set that contour in place. And my skin is like still has a glow. I haven't even added like a highlighter. So that Kevin Aucoin stuff is the truth. Boom. So I have to add some more of my shadow to the bottom lash. We're going into that dark brown color. Like I should mix these two, this magenta and like this neutral color. And I drag it up towards the cheek into that contour. Oh, it matches perfectly with the eyeshadow. How dope. Charlotte Tilbury liner in Pillow Talk Intense 3. This pencil liner is great for the summer. It is waterproof. So make sure you guys follow my Instagram. I'm going to try to start posting like those little Instagram reel videos for makeup. I just have to learn how to do it. I don't know how, but I think I might try to attempt with this look and post it on my Instagram, and I do all of my updates and my photos on there, so make sure you follow. I'm going to be taking MAC's The Right Note. The MAC's gloss. I have it in here, y'all, because it's messy. This thing is so messy if you buy it, but it's the best gloss. It cannot be beat. Look at it. Ooh, so messy. This is the best clear gloss. It's just super messy. So if you get this, it's good. Just know that it's really, really messy. Gonna go in and set our face with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless. This is amazing. I love a setting spray for the summer. All the powders that you use, it just really gets rid of that powdery look and just refreshes your skin. I use strictly the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I use one palette. So I love doing tutorials like that. You could just use one palette only. So then that way you're like, gotta get this eyeshadow, gotta get that eyeshadow, gotta get that eyeshadow. I remember watching gurus like using like this eyeshadow and that eyeshadow. I'm like, okay, I gotta get all these eyeshadows for that one look. So I like to try to stay in one palette. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to follow my Instagram. It's all linked down below. Click the bell, share this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.